I'm over here at Lowe's. I gotta get a new little fan for the bathroom, and you see Lowe's has Lowe's Pros now. They're trying to be like Home Depot so bad. I mean, I guess it's all a hardware store, so you know, I guess they can do that. But I typically never come to Lowe's. However, if you can see this Vaughan blower, you'll see that for some reason, man, I'm not able to find it nowhere else. I'm only able to find it at Lowe's, which I guess, you know, gives them a place on this planet, I guess. But I'm gonna swing you by. I probably should have did it first, but I don't come to Lowe's because they only sell DeWalt and Craftsman, stuff like that. But typically you guys know me, I only use Milwaukee tools, and they don't sell Milwaukee, so I got beef with them. So it just is what it is. Trying to see my view, trying to view my camera on my phone. I can't figure out how to do it, but whatever. I was just over here a couple weeks ago when I purchased this thing, and I gotta exchange it out because honestly, I didn't know how to do it, and that's why I'm gonna make a video for y'all today, show y'all how to do it. And I can't remember exactly what aisle it was on, but you know, and hopefully I get some bad customer service. I normally don't wish for that, but y'all can see another reason why I don't come to Lowe's is because customer service ain't that good. So everybody can't be Home Depot. Shout out to Home Depot while I'm in Lowe's. Did I walk past it? I don't remember exactly where this thing is at. Look at that, walk right past it 5 dang on times. Swear I walked down this aisle several times. All right, so let's go up here and do this exchange. Get the heck on up out of here. All right, thank you. Appreciate it. All right, so I'm finna show y'all why I don't shop here. However, there is a little DeWalt bit that I do like, where you can flip it around on the 5/8 and the half. You see all this Craftsman and Hitachi and DeWalt stuff. Man, this stuff is really hate to say it, but I've done a lot of jobs, and this Metbo, whatever, I don't even know what that's called. Cobalt. Done a lot of jobs, man, and completed a lot of jobs, and most of the pros, man, they're using Milwaukee DeWalt, I guess. And real fast, and I'm going to install it back where it originally was. And I left all the screws in there for the simple fact that I didn't really need to take them out. So all I do is plug it in and stick this bracket back where it belongs. And then I'm going to tighten these screws back up and just kick on the fan. And the fan is working properly. Everything is beautiful. That bad boy on there. tighten it up tight as we can get it. Kick the fan on one more time. Fan is working just fine. And that's it, pretty simple. Go ahead and give it a shot. Let me know how it works out for you. All right, goodbye.